In a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. In how many hours will the count reach 2 lakh? That is a double. If the rate growth of the bacteria is proportional to the number present. Let's see. So let n be the number of bacteria at time t. Okay. So according to the question, dn by dt is equals to kn. K is a constant. So integration of dn upon n is equals to integration of k dt. So log n is equals to kt plus c. At t is equals to 0, n is equals to 1 lakh. So log 1 lakh is equals to k into 0 plus c. So c's value is 5. Because 1 lakh, right? So 10 raised to 5. So 5 will come here. Okay. Again, at t is equals to 2, n is equals to 110000, right? So log 1,10,000 is equals to k into 2 as t's value is 2 plus 5. So log 11 plus 4 is equals to 2k plus 5. 2k is equals to log 11 minus 1. So 5 will come here. So 11 minus 1. So log 11 upon 10. Okay, because 1 can be written as log 2, right? 10 to the base 10, right? So log 11 upon 10 after using the property of log. So k is equals to 1 upon 2 log 11 upon 10. Using the values for n is equals to 2 lakh, log 2 lakh is equals to k t plus c. Log 2 plus 5 is equals to kt plus 5. Half log 11 upon 10 t is equals to log 2, right? 5 will get cancelled. T is equals to 2 log 2 upon log 11 upon 10.